never mind. That looks spoopy. Hey, you still behind me, Mr. Spoopy? Mr. Spoopy, hey! Hello? Hello, have I gone there? Hello? This way, because I looked this way first. You're supposed to look left and right and left. Hey, I looked right and left and right. Hey, hey, my arms are getting tired. Nope, no way. What's this? Oh, hey, Spoopy! Spoopy. That kind of scared me too, Spoopy. Okay, this mini video is already going on 11 minutes, and I might have to end it soon, so I might kill myself on purpose. That depends. I'm already getting tired of talking. So I hope you guys don't hate me because I'm gonna go silently. I'm actually gonna act the same how I always do because I jaw starting to get tired, and I'm running out of words to say. So yay, Spoopy, yay! That's my Mr. Spoopy name, Mrs. Spoopy. Hey, where are you? Hello, hello, Chris Angel, Chris Angel, hello. Hello, Chris Angel. I want you. I need you. I deserve you. Let's go this way. Yay, Spoopy Land. I saw a light above me. Hey, you're not supposed to climb walls. What you doing? This does not seem. Hey, Spoopy. Spoopy Man. Spoopy Man's right behind me. So this is Spoopy Tower. Hey, somewhere new. Hey! Hear that? Hear that? That's 7 out of 8 right there. 7 out of 8. No, you're not here. Hey, Spoopy! Hey, you're right next to my objective, actually. I need that 7 out of 8 right there. You're right next to it. I need that. I want that. I want to taste that. I want that all over my body, baby. Hey, Spoopy Tower. Hello, Mr. Spoopy, you still over here? I'm gonna peek around the corner. Hey, hey, Spoopy! Spoopy! Don't kill me, Spoopy! Spoopy, no! Spoopy! Run! 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 No, Spoopy! Spoopy? Hey, he's gone! Oh, Spoopy. Spoopy. Okay, we're gonna go this way. We need one more. Hey! What was that? Hey, Spoopy! Spoopy! What up, buddy? What up? Oh, I'm about to die. Hey. Hey. Hello. Merry Christmas. Happy holiday. Happy Hanukkah. Or whatever you celebrate. Hi. Is Chris Angel in here? Chris Angel? Hey! You're not Chris Angel. Is Chris Angel in here? I feel like Chris Angel's in here. Chris Angel! Chris Angel! Hello! Hola! ¿Cómo está? Chris Angel! Chris Angel! Hello! You in here? Hey, it's a new room, I think. I haven't been here yet. I need to find one more. Hello? Spoopy. Hey, Spoopy. Where is it? Hey, where's Mr. Spoopy? Spoopy, where are you, friend? Spoopy. Spoopy, you in here, buddy? Spoopy. There's Spoopy Tower. But where's Mr. Spoopy? Hey, Spoopy. Hey. I'm a greaser. Hey. Why? I just noticed that I've been saying that the whole entire video. Hey, I'm a greaser. Okay. Hey. Another open room. No. Hey, Spoopy. Okay. Spoopy Tower. Hey, Spoopy. Still go away. Where's Chris Angels? I need 8. I need the eighth Chris Angel. Yes, 8. Hey, Spoopy! Hey, you trickster, you trickster, you hipster, you madman, yeah. Hello, Spoopy. Hey, you're not supposed to go up there. That's against the law. You're breaking physics, the law of physics. You're breaking the law. Hello? What's over here? Is Grace Angel hiding out on me, huh?